Hey guys. I just wanted to do this live stream here really quick about you know, for ew. Ew. That oh my gosh. This apple's bad. Ew. Oh jeez. Um so I noticed we've had some problems with our live streams in the past. You know what I mean? Like or no, my Instagram, like when I put my stories on, okay? I do Instagram stories and I ask you guys some questions sometimes. Like today, for example, if I could save the video, I'm going to help you guys. Well, you had some difficult questions, okay, to try and answer, okay? You guys just need to know that all you have to do when you're answering these questions on my Instagram stories, all you have to do is your very best. You don't just have to sit around and say, "Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do the result." Well, let me try and save this video here on Instagram, and I'll help you guys out. Okay? Just do your best, okay? Okay? If I have to try it another time. Okay? Um, so that, so do your best, all right? Now I'm not going to I'm not going to take any credit for it all. All I want you guys to do is just do your very best and see what you've learned from my Instagram posts in the past, okay? You know, or maybe I haven't never posted this before, okay? All you have to do is just do your best, okay? The more you try, all right? Remember that, okay? All right. Now, work on this video right here, okay? This is from Wednesday. I know a lot of you guys are all concerned about this, okay? I'm going to teach you everything that you see in the video here, okay? We're going to start right here, and we're going to end right here, because it goes from there to 036 to 122, okay? So, let's start right here, okay? Now, if you have a piece of paper, I would suppose you get out a piece of paper, and you write down, take some notes on what you're listening to right now, okay? To Han! It's not good. But oh, okay. So first things first. Remember to do your best. Okay. All right. Okay. Do your best. All right. Okay. Now just give it your effort. Okay. Show how much you know until so. Just show how much you know. Okay. If you don't know something, then don't focus on it. Just you don't even have to answer these. Okay. I just want you guys to do your best. Okay. Like I said, I'm not taking this for a grade. Okay. Just you know. Right. Okay. All right. So let me just go ahead and get this out here. Do I expect you guys to answer any of my Instagram questions? No, but I don't expect you to. But it'd be nice if you guys would just give it your best, okay? And like I'm gonna say, well, that's wrong. or you're almost there. You're on the right track, but no, I'm not going to do that, okay? I just want you guys to do your best. I want to see how much you guys know to how much I know, okay? You guys know some of this stuff, and then again, you guys won't know. You know, sometimes you guys may know this, sometimes you guys may not know this, okay? That's why we do these live streams. I can teach you guys more about my life and the life that is around us, okay? All right? Just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's take a look here, okay? Number one, okay? Let's take a look at this, okay? We're going to go ahead and open up that photo, October 25th. All right? What is Lowell known for? Okay? What is this long gray pole known for? Okay? Is it a well, some of you guys, I know some of you guys call it a bumper, okay? But there's actually a fancy name for it. A fancy, I repeat, a fancy name for a metal pole. Alright? Okay? Fancy name for it. Okay? Now there's a difference between that and a sensor, alright? Here is a fancy name. Real quick. Okay, let's say so the sensor and a bumper. Right on the elevator. You know what I mean? Now, the first thing is the bumper. Okay, the old 1980 edition to the 2000s, all right? 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 The 2000s, right? What is this metal thing, metal bumper called? Okay? Okay. I've been to elevator college and know what I'm doing here, okay? Well, most of the time. But, very good, okay? No, just give me a second, okay? All right, so this metal bumper is called a safety edge. So write that down. Okay? The metal bumper. Whoops. What's doing that? The metal bumper is called a safety edge. Okay? Great. So let's get lines there. So just remember that. This gray pole. Oops. All right, hold on here. There we go. Make sure you guys see that. Okay. So there we go. Okay, so this gray bumper, metal bumper, whatever color, do you guys think it's black, gray? I don't care, whatever you guys think the color is. But that gray metal bumper, oops, it's called a safety edge. Okay, it's called a safety edge. All right, so the metal bumper, okay, metal bumper, or your key is the key word for the safety edge, metal bumper. Okay. Now the sensor has a fancy name too, right? Let's take a look at the sensor now. The sensor, the electric Janus sensor, or let's say electric sensor, because Janus, there's all kinds of sensors, whatever you want to, whatever sensor that there is. The electric sensor, okay, which is this long black um, pole right here, is similar to the metal bumper. All right, is similar to metal bumper because it's black. It's black, and the metal in the safety edge is a black too, and it prevents the elevator door from closing on a user that is entering. Okay, so this metal or this computerized electric sensor, whatever you guys want to call it, Janus, 3D, you know, sensor, that sort of, I don't know. It's called a. Okay, so safety edge and a door edge. There's a difference between those two. Safety edge pushes back, right?
Eat these. I don't know what's wrong with that apple, but I don't know. They taste okay to me.
Look at this. Shut the door. Look at this one. Ew. Ew. That's gross, huh? So let's compare it here, okay? Now sometimes you guys call it a Janus, a 3D sensors, two types of sensors, but I don't know if there's any. I think there's additive sensors too. There's additive sensors too. But that's what's there is a ThyssenKrupp Pan 40, okay, Pan 40, right? I think it's a Janus, but I'm not so sure. Okay, I know it's yeah, I think it's a Janus Pan 40, ThyssenKrupp sensor. But sensor, the electric sensor, is called a door edge. And there's a difference between a safety edge and a door edge. One thing is that the safety edge either sometimes will obey the on-trade user, and then other times it may not obey the on-trade user, and you'll have to push back the sensor, or I mean the door edge, or I mean the safety edge, for being closed on yourself, right? So the door edge, okay, the door edge is different than a safety edge because this one here, this one prevents it from closing permanently. So we'll try. So when you enter, it won't close until the user has entered the car, or the cart, or any material that enters the car and it goes on the car. The door will not shut on the user that enters the car. Okay, so there's a difference between the safety edge and the door edge. So okay, so again, hold on, staying on track here. Safety edge is a metal bumper, and the door edge is the electric sensor. Now, the safety edge sometimes obeys the on-trade user, and will not shut until the user has entered the car. Okay? But other times it doesn't do that, and you have to push back on the metal bumper safety edge to prevent it from closing on the on-trade user. Safety edge obeys. You don't even have to You just put your foot by the door entrance on the door edge. You don't have to push anything back. Just obey until the user has entered the car. And then, of course, oh no, if it broke, then we probably wouldn't, that wouldn't be good. The door probably shut on. You'd have to enter really quick then to get in. You have to enter it really quick. It wouldn't get fixed. You get a court, you have to get to a. we don't want to get into that. So, okay. So that's the difference between the safety edge and the door. So I hope you guys are taking note of this, because I may give you guys a quiz for everything we have learned from tonight's broadcast. Okay. So. Okay. That's the door edge. Trying to see. Okay. Yeah. Moving right along. Okay. So next was the middle floor or the middle number. Okay. So we can go ahead and take a look at the numbers here. We have G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Okay. Now, why do you guys think 4 is the middle number on that car? Okay. Why would 4 be the middle floor in that car? Well, let's think right here, okay? There are 9 floors. Why does it keep? Oops. Sorry about that. Okay. So, go ahead and hide this. There are 9 floors in the hospital, right? Let's continue on here. Now, so about the inappropriate photo, by the way. Now, middle number, because G, 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8 are 4 numbers after or before the said 4, right? Here's a 4. Okay. Here are your 4 numbers. Here are your 4 numbers there, okay? So, that is the main reason why 4 is the middle floor. Because 4 numbers come before the 4 or after the 4, okay? That question again. Had to do with think about how many floors are on the car. Okay. Sit around and figure out, like, you can even write down the numbers on a piece of paper and um you know, figure out how many numbers are before each of the numbers, okay? Like for our first one, 4 was the middle number of Trinity West because G, 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 are 4 numbers, right? 4 before the 4 and 4 after the 4, right? Okay? You guys good on this? You guys have any questions? You all good? Okay, moving right along. Now what about this one? Which floor in this car is the middle floor? We have G, 1, 2, and 3, right? So what floor in this car is the middle floor? Okay? Now think about it. What floor would be the possible middle floor on this car? This one's a little tricky. Okay? If you can't figure out what the middle floor is, guess what? You don't have to worry about figuring it out because guess what the answer is to this one? There is no middle floor on this car because 1 can't be 1 on the left before that 1 and 2 on the right after that 1 because that that's not equal to this one or this one, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind. And remember, anytime a lift only has 4 floors, there is no middle floor, okay? All right? Everyone understand that? Okay. Moving right along. Middle floors. You can't have 2 middle floors, okay? You can't say that G is equal to 3 and after 1 and 2, okay? You just can't say that, all right? Because you can't have 2 middle floors, right? You can only have 1 middle floor. Okay? There's only 1 middle. Now, let's take a look at this one here, okay? Let's go ahead and find that photo too. G, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we definitely have a middle number here, don't we? Oh, let's take a look at the panel inside. That's your what now? If you could answer that, please. What is that now? Okay, if you said door edge, you're give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, so G, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? And let's look here, okay? G, there's 5 floors, okay? This one has 9. Now think here, all right? Could we try 1? Well, let's see here. Once, and 2, 3, and 4, 3 times. 4, okay? How about 3? G1, 2, 4. You definitely can't do the last number or the first number. Guys, listen. You can't do the first or last number to find out what the middle floor is, okay? Because it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. because there's going to be no more number after the last or first number on there, okay? All right? So just keep that in mind, okay? It's always between the middle numbers, okay? The middle numbers. I'm not talking about that the middle numbers are the middle floor, okay? Or middle floors, okay? There's only one middle floor, okay? But the middle numbers mean that there's going to be a number in there that is the middle floor, okay? So on this one, how about 2? Going back into our little middle floor thing here, okay? And 1, 3, and 4. So obviously, 2 even says right here, 2 is the middle floor in this car. Why? Because 2 is after G and 1 and before 3 and 4, right? So, that one there was easy to figure out, huh? Okay? Because there's 5 floors and a 5 has a middle number usually, right? So that is your 5 floor middle number, okay? All right, any questions? No? Okay. All right, moving right along. What floor is missing? We have G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? Now, what number comes after 6? Well, 7, P, R. I mean, because that comes after 6. I mean, sorry, my bad. 7, P, or R comes after 6, right? That one should have been pretty easy. You guys could put anything besides, or maybe T for top, right? You guys just said anything, well, except for maybe, negative, that sort of thing. That wouldn't work at all. All right. So that's that. Any questions on that? All good? Okay. All right. Moving right along. What does code blue mean to you? I'm not really concerned on that one. Okay, I'm more concerned on the math because you guys need to figure out basically what holds this hospital holds a location together. Okay, I'm not worried about the story problem questions or English problem questions. I'm more worried about the math problem questions because this is what holds up a location. Okay, right? Just remember that. Also, for this one, this is a math question, but I don't really care what you guys say. Except if you say 7, 5, or or something else. Stupid. Okay. You could say P, H, P, or R, or 8. All right. Okay. This is where you make your own decision. Okay. All right. Okay. This one's definitely no right or wrong answer. This is one where you make your own decision. You can say anything. It's here, or this one right here. Okay. Number after that, after 7. All right. Just keep that in mind. All right. What number is that? That should be an 11. Okay. Now this one here I do get concerned about. Okay. So we have G, 1, 2, 3, and 4. G, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 13. We have 5, 9, 13, and blank. Okay. Look right here, okay? 5, 9, 13. Do you guys notice something here about these free numbers right here? 5, 9, and 13? Well, 5 can go into 9, and 9 can go into 13 when you add, right? Now, how many times do you have to add, how much do you have to add to get to 9 from 5? Or 9 to 13? Well, what about, let's try this one. Okay, how about 5 plus 1? Nope, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, that's 8. How about 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4 is 9, so you're adding by 4. So if that number is 13, then I know that the next number, right off the bat, is going to be a what? A 17, right? Because if you add 13 plus 4, you get 17. So the next floor on this thing would be 17. So G, here, 3, 4, 5, 13, 17. Okay? So anytime I ask a question like this and you see the numbers that are like skipped, think about what you add to get that number, okay? It shouldn't be that hard. It should be pretty easy. As that goes, okay? All right, the answer for this one was right. Because as this one here is, I remember when they were installing it, and it has a newer, look to it as well. This one is only 3 years older than this one right here, okay? All right. Now, which of the 2 floors are not covered up? G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? Now, if you're an Instagram follower, let's keep this in mind, okay? If you're one of my Instagram followers, please consider watching this, okay? I'm teaching you the answers to these questions that you didn't get to answer, okay? This was difficult, okay? So the floors are G to 8, all right? Now, take a look right here, okay? This is the first floor. The second floor is the third floor, 6, 7, and 8. So which floors are not covered up? Well, the answer to that, 4 and 5 not covered up, okay? Because this right here is 1, that's 2, and that's 3. And after 3 comes 4, and after 4 comes 5, and after 4 comes 6, after 4 comes 7, and after 4 comes 8. Okay? Any questions on that one? Okay. Ask now because we'll be able to ask later because I know how you guys are. You guys don't really like to comment on my okay, after they're over. You guys don't even ever comment on here either, and it makes me pretty sad, okay? Idea for what you may have to do for the next that you were given with a question like this, okay? Just remember how the floors are set up. And you may need to look at a panel car station to figure this out, okay? All right, see how many floors there are, floors, how they're set up, and the floors that are not covered up, okay? All right, so 4 and 5 are not covered up, okay? So far, okay? So pat on the back if you're not so good. Then I stream to help you answer some of my Instagram stories, okay? All right? Feel free to study guide, reference, whenever you need it when I give you a Instagram story question, okay? Right here, the answer to this would be a rain cloud because it was a cold day. It was very gray, raining. So, and it was also just definitely a rain cloud, okay? Okay. And finally, I'm not going to really worry about this one here. Okay. This one where you guys just take a good guess there. You use a good probability, that sort of thing. Okay. That one. Okay. These Instagram story questions. I'll look here and see if we have anything else. If we don't have anything else, I think we're going to end this live stream because there's not too many people watching. For you two for joining this live stream tonight, and I hope you guys this live stream. Okay. Something. Okay. From I just gave you. You can always remember that you can use this live stream here. Any of these questions, okay? So I might ask these questions again in the future. Just give it your best, okay? Stream from tonight if you want to. I have no problem with that. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and probably end this live stream now. Okay. Since this is all I can get from sending you guys Instagram posts, my Instagram stories, and and I know that there are a lot of difficult time trying to figure them out. Okay. Please use the Instagram story as a reference to your please use this live stream. I mean, to help you with your to help you with some of the questions that I give on a Instagram story. Okay, like for this one right here. Okay, we're not going to talk about the elements in a cookie, but you can look it up online. You can like say what are the elements that make up a cookie, and you can just write down one word that just makes it up. Describe it. Okay, don't write the full sentence or anything. Okay, I just want you guys to write one word. And how you describe it. Okay. All right. And then I'm not. Like, yeah, I think that's one of the elements that make up a cookie. All right. But I didn't have to explain it too. Okay. Like this one here, I'm gonna ask you guys some element questions. Just remember, you can look it up on the computer or iPhone or whatever device you use to look up things, or just take a good guess. Think about how it's made, right? Okay. So, yeah, okay. I'm not really worried about this one right here, or this one right here. Okay. I'm more worried about the math problems, okay? Because I want you guys. This is how this is what makes up a building, okay? Math is what makes up a building, all right? A location, all right? Math is what makes up my house. Math is what makes up my school. Math is what makes up the store right here, okay? And the question here probability for stair tiles, okay? Let's see how many stair tiles there are first of all, okay? All right. Calculator 2. Okay. As it says here, there are 11 steps for each of the 2 sets in the stairwell, okay? Now, the probability of tiles in a stair, okay? For each of the 6, right? So we have to add up all of tiles in the stair, okay? So, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 sets, all right? Of tiles, right? There's 33 tiles altogether, okay? So what we have to do is we have to add 33 plus 33 plus 33 to get our number of tiles, okay? And so the number of tiles are 99 tiles. Oh, wow. Whoops. Oops. What is it doing that? There are 99 tiles on each of 2 sets, okay? Now, in total of all, if I added 99 plus 99 for this stairwell, there are 198 tiles brown tiles, little brown tiles in the stairwell, okay? Just look at the photo, count the rows, or count how many are in each row. Count the row first. Okay, write down how many rows are there, how many rows there are, and then how many tiles you see in each row, okay? And that's how you get your probability. And you have 2 things you have to explain though in this. One, how many tiles are there in each set, right? And then how many tiles are there altogether in that room, right? In that stairwell, okay? And on those stairs, all right? So there are 198 low-bound tiles in the stairwell, okay? So again, use this as a reference or whatever you call it to answer some of my Instagram story questions, okay? All right, moving on. Moving right along. Here. Now, we're not going to answer that one, okay? Not going to answer that one either, okay? I don't really care about this one either, okay? And there's also 1990 New York City, okay? All right, so I think we're going to bring this live stream to an end right here, since there's nobody really watching me, okay? Trying to, because in the past, when I've done live streams, I used to have a lot of people watching me. I had a lot of people watching me stream and that sort of thing, and it was so much fun. I had my power class, talks about UPMC Montefiore, we talked about all kinds of different places, and we learned from those places. We learned from those places by breaking it down step by step, area by area, okay? And I'm pretty sure that maybe once or twice we've used some math, okay? And remember this, okay? We're going to take this down as a side note for today, all right? Remember this when this live stream ends, okay? Math is what makes up a location, okay? All right? Okay. So math basically makes up this room, okay? This house, the outdoors, the hospitals, malls, that sort of thing, all right? So just keep that in mind. Math is what makes up a location, okay? I'm going to go ahead and end this live stream here. So do you guys have any additional questions on what you guys, if you guys have any questions about, like, to add on to something, like to add on to what I just said or anything like that, okay? All right. Okay, guys, so thanks again for watching this live stream tonight. I'll see you all later. Tomorrow I am going to be doing another live stream, okay? Or tomorrow morning or tomorrow after, or evening, something like that. Tomorrow's live stream is going to be over. Sorry about that inappropriate photo again. How do I get it off? Tomorrow is going to be over. Some things are going to be going on this month, and we'll be going over some things we're going to be doing this month, okay, throughout this month, and we'll also be doing some Google Ads Smart too. Yay! And then we'll be talking about Pittsburgh Day 2016, okay? The official Pittsburgh Day 2016, all right, and the Pittsburgh Day 2017 preview, okay? There is no Pittsburgh Day 2017 official scheduled yet, and I will not be telling anybody when it's going to happen, okay? Because this is a secret for you guys, okay? Now we'll have some Instagram story questions from there too, okay? And some polls, all right? Just do your best, okay? Or like I've said tonight, just do your best, all right, on the math ones, okay? I'm not worried about anything other subject on there. I'm more worried about the math because it's what makes up Pittsburgh Day 2017 preview and the official, which I don't know when it's going to be. I do know, but I'm not going to tell you guys. I just have to sit around and wait. And Pittsburgh Day 2016 preview and official, okay? All right. That's what's going on tomorrow, okay? Do you guys have any questions in addition to what you've learned tonight? Add on or anything? Nope? Okay. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching me tonight. I'll see you all later. Be sure to do your thing. We'll see y'all later, okay? Peace.